So there's this thing called a surefire plugin. It's a Maven plugin, which lets you run JUnit tests using Maven commands. So think about how we've been running JUnit tests, right? So I have been right-clicking on Eclipse and then run as JUnit, and I've been also here, the JUnit tab, I've been right-clicking and clicking run. So who's doing the running here? It's Eclipse doing the running, right? So the Eclipse IDE has integration, which calls the test runner of JUnit and has those tests run, all right? This is the Eclipse way of doing things. If you are comfortable with Eclipse, that's perfectly fine. But typically, you use this mechanism only when you're developing something. But imagine this goes to a CI/CD pipeline where there is like a build process that needs to happen. The build process is not going to install Eclipse and right-click and all that stuff, right? You need a command line way of doing things. And that's where you use the Maven way. So Maven, this is the Maven project. I can do right-click and then run as, and then there should be a Maven test here. It's kind of beyond the screen right now, but there's a Maven test that you can run. I can also do run configurations here, and then here I can choose Maven and have it run as a Maven test. So in order to facilitate that, you need to have the Maven Surefire plugin, which is the Maven plugin for running JUnit tests. So we're going to do that first. I'm going to go to pom.xml, and here's where I add the plugin. So this is what the plugin looks like. So I'm going to create a build node here. All right, so here I'm going to have plugins, and inside that, all right. Turns out the formatting doesn't remove empty lines. All right, so what am I doing here? I'm creating a build node in my pom.xml, and I'm adding the Maven Surefire plugin. So I'm using version 2.22.1. I think this is the bare minimum you need for JUnit 5. But once you do this, you can right-click and then choose run as, and then here there should be a Maven test option. So I can actually do this, Maven build, probably this will work, so that I can show you this. Maybe I can do a test, then run. And here in your console, you can see that the Maven Surefire plugin has kicked off the test, downloads a bunch of stuff if you're running this for the very first time. And here you see it has run the same class, MatthewTills test, and it's run 2 tests and found 0 failures. This is exactly the same as running it in your JUnit window here. But the advantage to this is now you have Maven integration, and you can have this be a part of the build system and all that stuff, right? So you can have the build handle failures. You can say, hey, do this thing if the build fails and stuff like that. You know, it's a little bit more powerful, and that's one of the reasons why I like this. And it's also something that most companies use on a wider basis. So this was the Maven Surefire plugin. I recommend you do this if you're using a Maven project. There's an equivalent for Gradle as well. You can pull in the plugin with Gradle, and then it should work. It should work just the same.